Hi guys, it's your girl Active Flames, and today I'm going to show you how to make a chickpea omelet. So first you're going to need 2/3 of chickpea flour. Go ahead and measure that out and pour it into your mixing cup. Now we're going to take some spring water and pour it into the flour. We don't want a thick flour, we want it to be nice and liquidy. So no certain measurement on the water, you just play it out with your eye, see how much you need. After that, we're going to go ahead and add some seasoning because you can't have an omelet without seasoning. So I'm using Italian season, some coriander, some onion powder, oregano. You don't have to use these same seasonings I'm using. This is just what I like to have. Throw a little basil leaves in there, because why not? And some thyme. Now whip that up. Remember, we want a nice liquidy texture. We don't want it to be thick. You want it to be able to move around when you pour it into the pan. Might need to add more water. Whip it up, whip it up. Alright, you see that texture? Make sure all the flour is blended in there. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and pour it into our pan. The pan should be lightly oiled and on medium high. You want to go ahead and move it around to fill up the pan. Then we're just going to cook it till it starts bubbling, and then we're going to flip it. While that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and saute my veggies. This is what I'm going to fill the inside of my omelet with. You can put whatever you want, add mushrooms, add whatever you please in your omelet. Today I'm just going to be doing peppers and onions and tomatoes. Nice, simple, and easy. Don't forget to salt. Don't forget to season up your peppers and onions. Add some flavor. Because what's an omelet without no flavor? That's just a Alright. So now that we got that done, we're going to go ahead and transfer this filling. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, cook it down. Now that we got that done, we're going to add the filling into our chickpea omelet. Peppers, onions, shallot, and tomatoes. Slide that bad boy right in there. And at this point, the omelet should be ready to flip. Look at that. Now that looks good. Alright, gonna add some avocado to the top of this thing. And if you didn't know, this chickpea omelet is high in protein, so if you're looking to add some extra protein to your breakfast, this is what you should use. Look at that. That looks good. So now I'm just gonna dress up my breakfast, have a little side salad. And then I'm gonna add some vegan sausage and a strip of vegan bacon. And your girl is set. Look at that. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one.